Like that, even my lord, defendant is also enjoying her share by constructing a house in the property. What the plaintiff did was, by giving the wrong boundaries, he filed a suit and he obtained an injunction order. Before undertaking construction of house by the second defendant has even got prepared a sketch by the surveyor. The second defendant has even mortgaged the said property to take financial assistance from the government. Serious question of law and facts, and which requires trial. Whether the plaintiff is in possession and enjoyment of the suit property or on the date of the suit, or whether the defendant have interfered with the plaintiff's peaceful possession and enjoyment over the suit property. Trial is yet to begin. I will have to produce all my documents, and I have to prove my possession of the property, and I'll have to convince the honorable court to show that I have been residing there by constructing a house. I have borrowed loan, I have mortgaged the property, even point the suspects, the bona fides of the plaintiff. I'm a poor man, my lord. I'm staying with my small kids, with my wife. In the event the police are permitted to enter upon the property on the strength of the court order, I will be thrown to the street, my lord.
So according to them, 21 guntas is in possession of the plaintiff.
Yes, ma'am.
2 guntas he sold. Now, the case of the defendant is that with the 2 guntas, plaintiff is interfering by virtue of the interim order.
No. I am not interfering the his position, my lordship. My lord is not disputed, my lordship. He is not disputing the entire extent, my lordship. He is only disputing the
Correct.
what he constructed a house, my lordship.
That's
Whatever that they have sold 2 guntas, in the northern side, it has been shown as the property of the defendants. There is a wrong boundary mentioned by him. They are coming and disturbing my house property where I have been residing. Let them admit that there is a house. Let there be inspection, my lord. By any sitting advocate of the honorable court, let him go and inspect whether I am staying there or not.
now, according to him, having sold the 2 guntas of land to so and so,
Yes.
and by virtue of that sale, however, he is in possession of the property. Now, under the guise of this 21, you are trying to interfere with the 2.
No, my lordship.
Exactly, my lord.
There is
no.
an issue.
Yes, my lord.
There can't be a blanket injunction like this.
No, 23 guntas is
He is
not.
also not saying that the 21 guntas do not belong to you. It is a dispute with regard to the boundaries.
Yes, my
And
lord.
he is not. He is also a owner of the property.
No, he is not one of the property.
Owner,
Guntas.
it's like his mother has. That's what the court has recorded.
No. What
I'm
is
looking
condition,
for
my
the-
lordship?
I'm-
My lordship, I
Yes,
sold the
I'm
property.
also having 23 guntas, my lord. I am also having 23 guntas. And obviously, and presently, I am residing in the property which he is claiming that it is his property and he wants an injunction order in that property where my house is situated.
This is now you have that is almost more than half acre is
Half acre.
land.
Yes.
Entire land is more than half acre.
Yes, my lord.
Uh.
Yes, my lord. I mean, in possession of
In that
property.
half acre, you sold the property. Then was it while giving that land to him, was it surveyed?
No.
Now, in this set of disputed questions, how can the court grant injunction to you?
My lordship.
Nobody is denying your right or title to the property.
Yes, my lord.
That's not at all the issue.
Yes, my lord.
Assuming that it is like accept the fact that you are the owner of the property. They are also not denying the fact.
Yes, my
No,
lord.
this 21 and 2 is the only dispute.
Not raising.
You say they are interfering with your 21 guntas.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
They say with the 2 guntas you are doing something with their 2 guntas.
The facts are like this, my lord. The parties are relatives, joint family properties. There was a partition in the family. Each group got 23 guntas. And after demarcation of the land, they are enjoying their respective shares. Like that, even my lord, defendant is also enjoying her share by constructing a house in the property. What the plaintiff did was, by giving the wrong boundaries, he filed a suit and he obtained an injunction order. My lord, the property which the plaintiff is claiming in the suit is the property where I am residing by constructing a house. I have said in the written statement in detail, wherein I have constructed a house by borrowing loan, by getting the plan approved, everything. In the written statement, para 10, void annexure, B, my lord. B is the written statement, wherein I have said the property which is shown to be the property of Sushilama is now actually in possession of the second defendant. In this property, the defendant has built a house which has also been assessed in the Agarwal and village panchayat. The said property has been given number as 361. This property is comprised in survey number 341/1 P2. Before undertaking construction of house by second dependent, the second dependent has even got prepared a sketch by the surveyor. The second dependent has even mortgaged the said property to take financial assistance from the government. These are the documents which I have produced, my lord. I have produced the photograph before my lord saying that I am residing there with my family. I am tethering my cattle. I have stored my food grains, everything. Now, my lord, even the observation of the trial court in para 10 of the order, my lord. If you are to see para 10 of the order, it would clear the entire this thing. Para 10 in page number 28, my lord.
Yes.
The plaintiff has filed present suit against the defendant for the relief of permanent injunction. On perusal materials and record, it appears that this case involves serious question of law and facts, and which requires trial. Whether the plaintiff is in possession and enjoyment of the suit property, or on the date of the suit, or whether the defendant have interfered with the plaintiff's peaceful possession and enjoyment over the suit's property. But there is a serious question of law as observed by the trial court. That means, my lord, while granting an injunction order, court ought to have taken note of the fact whether the plaintiff has made out a prima facie case or not. That he has failed to prove. And even, my lord, when passing the order, court has taken note of my mortgage deed, my lord. I had produced the mortgage deed, photographs, everything. Mortgage deed is the deed where I have borrowed money from a government agency to clear the loan, which I borrowed for the purpose of construction of house, my lord. I have produced the photograph, my lord. Now, what has happened is, my lord, during the pendency of this MM, my lord, the plaintiff approaches the court once again and seeks for police protection. Annexure G is the order passed by the trial court granting police protection, my lord. In the event, if this order is not set aside, my lord, definitely they will come and throw me out of the house. Now, my lord, trial is yet to begin. I will have to produce all my documents, and I have to prove my possession of the property, and I'll have to convince the honorable court to show that I have been residing there by constructing a house. I have borrowed loan, I have mortgaged the property, even point the suspects, the bona fides of the plaintiff. So my respect submission to my lord is always writ petition set aside the order of the first appellate court. So also by setting aside the order of the trial court, and let the honorable trial court go ahead with the matter. And let us find out whether I am staying there or not, my lord. And the honorable trial court, where has heard the my lord, based on the revenue entries, it has come to a conclusion. Para 11 of the order, my lord. Para 11, while answering point number 2 and 3, it has said, only based on some artificial extracts, mutation registry extract, Akarband, Uttar Akarband, encounter certificate, in para 11 of the order, my lord. Only on these basis, court has come to a conclusion that he is in possession. Well, these are the revenue entries which do not confer any issue with regard to possession of the parties. I am a poor man, my lord. I am staying with my small kids, with my wife. In the event the police are permitted to enter upon the property on the strength of the court order, I will be thrown to the street, my lord.
Now the suit scheduled property is 23 guntas, Mr. Counsel.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
21.
ma'am. Yes,
Total extent is
No,
20.
total extent is 23 guntas. According to you, the defendant's mother has, according to the defendant, his mother has purchased an extent of 2 guntas.
No.
2 guntas.
No, mother of the defendant does not purchase the property. So sold to someone.
Whoever it is.
That third person.
That is with regard to 2 guntas.
Yes, my lord.
So according to them, 21 guntas is in possession of the plaintiff.
Yes, ma'am.
2 guntas he sold. Now, the case of the defendant is that with the 2 guntas, plaintiff is interfering by virtue of the interim order.
No. I am not interfering the his position, my lordship. The defendant interferes in my peaceful position, my lordship. The suit of the plaintiff to protect his property from the defendant's, my lordship. So agricultural land, my lordship, is the agricultural land. A grown plantation, my lordship. He is not able to plucking the coconuts. And my lordship kindly see that I produced documents. So the property Acquired by the,
How
acquired
is
by
it
the,
situated? Where is that property? Is there any map for that?
my
Any
lordship.
map is filed before the court?
No. No, my lordship. My lordship is not disputed, my lordship. He is not disputing the entire extent, my lordship. He is only disputing the,
Correct.
what he constructed house, my lordship.
That's the
Kindly-
only issue now.
Yes, my lordship, yes, my lordship. My lordship,
Now,
kindly-
entire 23 guntas of land belongs to you.
no, 21 guntas only belong to me.
In that, you sold-
Earlier, yes, my lordship.
in that you have sold 2 guntas to the somebody.
Some-
Now, in that defendant is in possession of of that 2 guntas.
No, I don't, no, my
No,
lord.
it's not like that.
No.
Whatever
Huh?
that, no, I'm sorry for interruption, my lord. Whatever that they have sold 2 guntas, in the northern side, it has been shown as the property of the defendants. I have produced a rough sketch, my lord, your lordship.
Now, what is your case now?
My lord, there is a wrong boundary mentioned by him. They are coming and disturbing my house property where I have been residing. Let them admit that there is a house. Let there be inspection, my lord. By any sitting advocate of the honorable court, let him go and inspect whether I am staying there or not. Simply on the strength of the order, so also the order of the.
That's the only
court.
issue in this to be decided.
Yes, my lord.
What is condition, my lordship? So is
No, my lord.
as according to him, my lordship, the what house is constructed. So after 2 guntas
No,
is situated,
no,
my
it
according
is-
to him, my
No,
lordship.
no, this is very simple.
Yes, my lord.
In the extent is 23 guntas.
Yes, my lord.
Sue schedule property now according to you, because 2 guntas you have already sold, 21 is a sue schedule property.
Yes, my lordship.
Now, according to him, having sold the 2 guntas of land to so and so,
Yes.
and by virtue of that sale, however, he is in possession of the property. Now, under the guise of this 21, you are trying to interfere with the 2.
No, my lordship.
Exactly, my lord. Exactly, my
No,
lord.
no,
Where is, where is 21, where is 2?
My lordship, they attached earlier, my lordship, to entire single boundary, my lordship, 23 guntas. So I sold the property 2 guntas to someone, my lordship. He according to my lordship,
Now, when you have sold that 2 acres of land,
20
was there any demarcation done that day?
It has not been done, my lord.
my lordship is contention
that is the-
only
that is the
boundary, my
issue.
lordship, boundary what I have sold the property is mentioned in the sale deed, my lordship. So on the northern side of the property, so is property situated, Sushilamma. So mother of the
Yes,
plaintiff, different is the
It is a
Sushilamma.
very simple issue.
Yes, my
There
lordship.
can't be a blanket injunction like this.
No, 23 guntas is
He is
not,
also not saying that that 21 guntas do not belong to you. He says, you are the owner of 21 guntas,
Yes,
he is
my lord.
owner of 2 guntas.
no, my lordship, is not the case, my lordship.
100%,
Only,
my lord.
So even if it is not his case, even if it is no, whatever is dealt by the court, no, we'll say, as far as the 21 guntas is
Yes,
concerned,
please,
that interim injunction should prevail.
please.
Then where is the 2 guntas of land?
No, someone is residing, my lord. So someone is in possession of the property who has purchased the
No, it
property.
is no,
Yes, my lord.
guntas is not your property.
No, my lord. No, my lord.
So where
21
is-
guntas only in my
Where
property.
is 21 guntas? Where is 2 guntas?
My lord. Kindly see the schedule of the property, my lord. Page number 470, my lordship. It's in Kannada, my lordship. Can I read? Annexure C, my lordship. So on east, my lordship. So totally 23 guntas. So 2 guntas already sold to the someone, my lordship. So boundaries remain 21 guntas, my lord. On the eastern side, my lordship, road, and land belongs to the Kempamma. On western, my lordship, lands belong to the Shettegoda, Javregoda, please, my lordship. So on north side, my lordship, so land belong to the Chikkegoda, son of Chikkegoda. And on southern side, my lordship, so remaining property of 2 gundas, my lord.
Now, more or less, it is a dispute with regard to the boundaries.
Yes, my
And
lord.
more, and he is not, he is also a owner of the property.
No, my, he's not one of the property.
Owner,
Gundas,
it's like his mother has, that's what the court has
no,
recorded.
no, what
I'm
is
looking
condition,
for
my
the-
lordship?
I'm-
My lordship, I
Look,
sold the
I'm
property.
also having 23 guntas, my lord. I am also having 23 guntas. Where
Yes, sir.
exactly his property lies and where exactly my property comes is the issue to be tried by the court by framing proper issues, my lord. And obviously, and presently, I am residing in the property which he is claiming that it is his property and he wants an injunction order in that property where my house is situated.
Lordship on sold property 2 gundas on southern side of my 23 gundas, my lordship.
When
He-
was the sale? If it
5
please
2005.
We'll ask Mr. Counsel, let him complete, let the counsel for the respondent complete his
Please.
arguments.
Much
Yes.
I sold the property and my lordship 5/5/2003, my lordship.
Huh?
5/5/2003.
He sold the property.
Yes, my lordship. on southern side of my property, my lordship.
Hmm.
So remaining what in 21 quotas, I am in possession of the property. I have grown coconut trees, plantation, my lordship. Now in the possession, one disputing only 21 quotas.
How many guntas is 1 acre?
40 quotas.
40 guntas is 1 acre.
Yes, my lordship.
So this is now you have, that is almost more than a half acre is the
Half acre.
land.
Yes.
Entire land is more than half acre.
Yes, my lordship.
Uh,
Yes, my lordship. I mean in possession of
In
property.
that half acre, you sold the property. Then was it while giving that land to him, was it surveyed?
No, my lordship. So my lordship in agricultural land, my lordship. So the one they have can the
Now, in this set of disputed questions, how can the court grant injunction to you?
my lordship, the property, my lord acquired the property under partition deed, my lordship, on 10/3/1997, my lordship.
Here,
So I
nobody is,
produced the document.
no-
Kindly see the page number, my
nobody-
lordship.
no, Mr. Counsel,
29, my lord.
nobody is denying your right or title to the property.
Yes, my lordship.
That's not at all the issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Assuming that it is like, accept the fact that you are the owner of the property. They are also not denying the fact.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
this 21 and 2 is the only dispute.
Madam, my lordship.
Just like that, if the court grants injunction
Wha-
without you prima facie showing,
No.
where is this 21, where is this?
I'm not claiming 23 guntas, my lord. I'm claiming only 21 guntas only.
Their case is that 21 guntas, you're including his 2 guntas, is their problem.
No, my lordship. He's claiming is my lordship. His property situated after the 2 guntas, my lordship. What I sold the property to someone. So after on the north side of the 2 guntas, his property situated. He's claiming.
All the more reason that you were the owner of the entire 23 guntas and
Yes.
2 is sold to them.
Yes,
Now, that is the only dispute you're raising now.
No, I'm not raising my lordship. I'm not raising.
You
what-
say they are interfering with your 21 guntas.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
They say with the 2 guntas, you're doing something with their 2 guntas.
No, I'm
No,
not.
in
I'm
these
not doing
dispute-
something, my
No,
lord.
in that, how can the court say that you have a prima facie case?
Kindly, my lordship, page number 29, my lordship. Annexure E, my lordship. Impugned to my lordship.
Yes.
So, paragraph 11, my lordship, points 2 and 3, and then next para, my lordship. The plaintiff to substantiate his claim, my lordship, substantiate claim, he has produced RTC extract, mutation register extract, Akar Band, Uttar, and Yankon certificate. Revenue
No,
sketch.
you have filed everything.
One
Nothing
minute.
is disputed.
Revenue sketch is also produced in the
No,
trial
no.
court, my lordship.
No, you have filed everything. He has filed his whatever that sale deed that you have produced and whatever it is, that is also admitted by you. That's what I'm saying. No, there is no dispute with regard to your ownership. Now, whether the 21 guntas, whether the property which you have sold is included in this
No.
or not.
No, my lord.
How can the court come to a combined name by
Schedule of the
granting interim injunction?
my lord, on south side, my lordship, in the schedule of the plaintiff, my lordship, on southern side, my lordship. So 2 gundas which sold to one Ramesh, my lordship. So I sold to Ramesh, my lordship. That has been mentioned in the schedule of the plaintiff, my
It
lordship.
abuts your 21.
Yes, madam.
It
21 is.
abuts your 21. 2 guntas is abutting your 21.
No. Total 23 guntas. Total 23 guntas, my lordship. 2 guntas have sold. So only.
That's what 2 guntas you have sold. It is part and parcel of 23 guntas. It is one bit of land, is it not?
No, after 2 guntas, madam. So the 21 guntas is.
That
I
is
given
where-
boundaries,
that
my
is
lordship.
where the
21
whole
guntas, madam.
dispute lies, sir. That
I-
is where the whole dispute lies. That 2 guntas, where is the 2 guntas?
My lordship.
That's part of 23. No.
It's not part of a suit, my lordship.
You are missing one
2
point.
guntas is not part of suit, my lordship.
Part of the not the school scheduled property. I am saying 23 guntas is you are the owner of 23 guntas. You sold 2 guntas. 21 guntas you are holding.
Question. Yes,
But earlier, before you sold it to the other party,
yes, ma'am.
the entire 23 guntas forms part and parcel of one bit.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Now the whole dispute is that 2 guntas, according to you, they are interfering with your 21 guntas. And you filed the suit for injunction.
Perhaps the purchase is not interfering my property, my lordship. So defense is the.
Who is he? Who is the defendant?
He is a far relative, my lordship. The
So let us say that purchaser,
only
according that the
boundary
two-
disputing the sale deed of 2 guntas, my lordship. He is disputing. So
Hmm.
on southern side, northern
but
side
let
of.
please show that he is disputing 2 acres.
lordship.
Please show it from the pleadings.
kindly see one. Is the return statement, my lord. Kindly para number 9, my lord, page number 15, my lord. Annexure B. The plaintiff is alleging that he has come in possession of suitable property as per MRO also, measured 23 guntas. Out of the alleged 23 guntas of property is an area measured 2 guntas has been sold to one Chikke Gowda, son of Devegowda, as per the register sale dated 5/2003, which has been executed by the plaintiff and his son. The property which has been sold to said Devegowda is shown to be bounded by the property of Sushilamma, son of Ajay Sushilamma is claiming that is the mother of the number 1.
So he is also referring to only those 2 guntas which you have sold.
So after my lordship, so what is I sold property 2 guntas to my lordship. After 2 guntas, his property situated. His claim according to him.
That fact is very much clear to the court,
Yes, my
which
lordship.
you are getting confused in between.
No.
I am not saying that it is part and parcel of the suit schedule property.
Yes,
It is
madam.
not.
Yes, madam.
Suit schedule property is only 21 guntas,
Yes, madam.
but 2 guntas which you sold to, not to this defendant,
He's
to somebody
claiming
else.
Huh.
He is
situated
claiming to be in possession of the 2 guntas.
my lordship is claiming is my lordship. So that property 2 guntas is situated between property between plaintiff and defendants. This is the middle of the property, my lordship. 2 guntas. So after 2 guntas is property according to him.
Where did he say so? Please.
Same, that is the main, my lordship.
Again read it.
So sale deed dated 3, which has been executed by the plaintiff and the son. The property which has been sold to one said Javegoda is shown to be bounded by the property of Sushilamma.
Sushilamma is my mother, my lord.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, total 23 guntas, definitely, my lord, on southern side of the his property is situated. So, after selling 2 guntas, so what is property, so attached to his property, I sold to someone, my lordship. So, what is 2 guntas is between me and different, my lordship.
Yes.
Is claim. So only is contention, my lordship. So whatever the boundaries is a tribal issue, my lordship. So what is the ingredients for granting temporary injunction, my
In
lordship?
suit for bare injunction,
Yes, ma'am. So
this, at this point, if
Yes, ma'am.
such an order is passed, what would happen?
no, my lordship. So my lordship is a different plaintiff is very clear. As per I gone to
Will pass an order of status quo. Let
no, my lordship. Status
let
commission.
the court
Agriculture.
below-
My
No,
lordship.
Suit is of which year?
No, suit of 5, my lordship.
2015, and now we
15.
are in 2024. How long this
One minute,
injunction
my
go on?
lordship. Status is granted, my lordship. This is agricultural land, my lordship.
Huh?
Agricultural land. So I ground plantation, my
Status
lordship.
quo with regard to whoever is in position will be in position.
But should not interfere by 21 gundas, my lordship. That is the main issue.
That is your final relief.
No. Temporary release also is my lordship. What is suppose testing is granted, my lords. So my rights will be curtailed, my lordship. He is not able to go to my property, my lords. One day is not allowing me to pluck the coconut, my lordship.
What is that you sought? Please tell the court. That come to the plaint, come to the IA, filed in support of the petition.
Yeah, my next see, my lords. It's in Kannada, my lord. In para number 4, my lordship, I mentioned my lordship. So he's not able. I grown the coconut plantation. So he's not able. The defendant are restraining me to for plucking the coconut. I mentioned in the para number 4, my lordship. Is not para is not number is not mentioned, but in scheduled property I have grown.
No, there is a stay from this court
Yes, my lordship. Yes, my lordship.
from 2015.
Yes, my lordship.
Which year is this? 2021.
2021, my lordship.
When was injunction granted to you?
2016, my lord. August 2016. 10/8/2016. Annexure, my lordship. Annexure. Page number
And
21.
now what has happened thereafter? This, you
My
filed
lordship, my lordship, till stay granted by the Supreme Court, I am enjoying my property. So stay has been granted by the court, so I'm not able to cultivate our land also, my lordship. And
No,
even
anyhow,
during the
anyhow-
pendency of the dispute,
No, no, no.
my lordship,
Anyhow, from the last 3 years, there's a stay by this court. No, at this stage, we'll direct the court below to dispose of the suit itself within 6 months.
but should not be in the,
that.
no, my
What is
lordship.
happening-
So,
What is happening from the
my
last
lordship,
3 years?
so my lordship is not sort of the different my lordship. Sort of plaintiff my lordship. So my lordship, whether he has grievances against the plaintiff, he can work out the remedy by filing a separate suit, my lordship.
No, my lord, rightly my friend said that there is a
Yes.
dispute. with regard to
Only, my lordship, and even though my lordship is not a part and parcel of the surrender number 241, my
No,
lordship.
this
Kindly see the my lordship.
Now, this writ petition is not heard now, and it is heard after some time. Now, the interim order would continue.
My lordship, I was every day my lordship in,
No, we will ask the court
no,
below. to
every day
dispose
my
of the
lordship
writ
is not
petition in
facing
6
very
months.
ideal time, my
At this
lordship.
stage, in the
My lordship,
particular
trial
fact
court
of-
and first appellate court is granted interim order. No, I am not saying my lordship. So my lordship is very difficult, my lordship, to cultivate the land, my lordship. My property is 21 quantas only, my lordship. But my rights should not be curtailed, my lordship. That is in respect of number, measure 21 quantas, my lordship.
Agreed with the order.